Look at her on her toes and everything. So good, isn't she good?
Beautiful. You are amazing. What's that called? I don't know.
She's been taking lessons. Look at her on her toes. Yeah.
She's on time too.
I know, it's incredible. Hey, show her the splits. How about that?
Indeed. She just lets her get him in the basket.
Oh yeah. Pretty good, Pumpkin.
How often do you take lessons? Do you go once a week?
I like the move when she went out the door.
I'm quite impressed.
We need to do it in our bedroom later. Ta-da! Did you say ta-da?
Ta-da!
Good job, Bug.
Is this from Nut?
It's Mozart. It sounds. Do they have that?